Be honest. Your brain wants to study, but your phone wants attention, and guess who wins? The one that vibrates and drags you into doom scrolling. But what if I told you that you can actually study 3 to 4 hours straight in full monk mode? No phone, no distractions, no stress. It sounds impossible, but it's not you, it's your system. Today, I'm giving you an anti-distraction system that will turn you into a focus machine. People think they can't focus, but the real issue is their setup. You sit at your desk with your phone beside you, 12 notifications popping, 8 tabs open, and your brain whispers, just 1 minute on Instagram, which turns into a 45-minute rabbit hole about why pigeons move their heads. So, rule number 1 is fix your setup, not your focus. Step 1. Create an anti-distraction bubble. Put your phone in another room or use apps like Forest, Cold Turkey, or Freedom. If you're watching this on YouTube, finish this video and then lock your phone. Tell your family or roommates you're going into monk mode and only disturb you if there's cake or an actual fire. Step 2. Use the 52 to 17 rule. Study for 52 minutes, break for 17. This matches your brain's ultradian rhythm because you're not a robot. You're a rhythm machine. Step 3. Follow the one-tab rule. Multitasking destroys 40% of your productivity, so stick to one subject, one tab, full screen, like the entire internet has only your syllabus. Step 4. Fuel like a genius. Hydrate. Eat smart snacks like nuts, dark chocolate, and blueberries, and keep caffeine under control. 1 cup good, 4 cups disaster. Step 5. Get ruthlessly specific. Don't say, I'll study math. Say, Chapter 3, Integration Basics, done by 5 p.m. Clear targets triple your focus. Step 6. Understand that focus is a muscle. Distractions will happen, and if you catch yourself slipping into YouTube, laugh, reset, and get back on task. That's how you build attention strength. Step 7. Use the power of boring. Anyone who can consistently do boring things becomes unstoppable because discipline beats motivation every single time. In a distracted world, focus is the rarest superpower, and every time you ignore a distraction, you upgrade your brain. So here's your quick recap. Phone away, follow the 52 to 17 rule, 1 tab per subject, water and snacks ready, set specific goals, reset without guilt, and build that monk-level focus. You don't need more motivation, you just need a better system. And now you have it. So get up, create your anti-distraction bubble, level up your study game, and if you want a focused, productive, chill life, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss your next brain upgrade.